What's up guys, and welcome back to another video right into my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna basically tell you how to fix every kind of not launching or not starting issue you're currently having with the Forest. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, and in the end you will perfectly know what to do in order to fix every kind of issue related to that, or especially this issue. I've been having that a lot, and I fixed it with some steps that could help. So yeah, feel free to stick till the end. And before we start right into the video, guys, I just really would appreciate it if you would just leave a subscription onto my channel. It will take you just some seconds, and it will really just mean the world to me. So it won't cost you anything. For me, it's the world. So just yeah, be kind and subscribe. And without further ado, I will just say let's start right into the video. So the first thing I want you to do, if you have any kind of not launching or starting issues with your game, is going to be to take your launcher shortcut on your desktop if you have one. So for me, it's Steam. I'm going to take Steam. I'm going to drag it right into the middle of your monitor. I want you to take your mouse. You're going to obviously take your mouse and you're going to right click it. So once you've right clicked it, I want you to go down to the very bottom where it says properties. But before you're going to do that, you can try to click on to run it as an administrator. This will start your launcher over the administrator mode, and I want you to basically try if you're launching your game through the launcher and administrator mode, if it works. So other thing, go back to the properties tab, click onto that. This tab will pop up. I want you to click onto compatibility, so click on that one. As you can see, I have a lot of settings, and I want you to basically copy my settings. So you're gonna enable run this program compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8, disable reduce color mode, disable run this run in 640 by 480, disable full screen optimizations, enable run this program as an administrator, and disable register this program for restart. Afterwards, I want you to click apply and OK. So I already did that, so I can do that. I want you afterwards to restart your PC, and then you will see this little administrator symbol right onto your launcher shortcut. And what it will do is, like, you will start every time you're starting your launcher, will start in administrator mode, and this will help you a lot with every kind of issue you're currently having, especially if not launching issues. And you will start your game over the launcher, and this will probably fix it. If it doesn't, you're gonna take your in-game shortcut on your desktop if you have one, and do the same thing to it. So right click, run as an administrator, or properties, compatibility, copy the settings, do the same thing again. So the next thing I want you to do is going to be to navigate to the bottom of your screen where you can see your taskbar. Perhaps you have it there, I don't know. I have it at the bottom, so you're going to right click it. And you can see there's Task Manager. I want you to click on that. Wait a little bit until it opens up. And now what I want you to do for the first thing is going to be to navigate to the top left corner of your screen where you're going to click onto details. Once you're the details, you're going to search for your game or your launcher, especially the launcher. I haven't running it right now, but it doesn't really matter. So you're going to do the same thing which I'm doing to Creative Cloud. So you're going to right click it. And once you right click it, you're going to go to set priority and hover over it. And now you need to click on above normal or high, and you need to check for yourself which one is working better for you. It just depends on which PC you're on. So try above normal, try high, and try to start your game afterwards. And if it works, perfect. Next thing you can do is going to be to click into startup. What I want you to do at startup is really simple. So again, top left corner, click into startup. As you can see, I have a lot of applications disabled just because my PC isn't the best. It's a low-end PC, so it's old. It tends to have low FPS, it's like a lot crashing, a lot not launching, and you want to have less applications running in the background, obviously, because it takes a lot of GPU, CPU usage. So what I want you to do is going to be to disable every single program which you're not wanting to start in the background when you start your PC. So basically everything besides Windows things or Apple things. So you're gonna right click something which is enabled, and you're gonna disable it simply like that. Next thing you want to do is gonna be to click into processes. Again, top left corner, click into processes. And now, as you can see, there are two things. First, applications and background processes. And now there's CPU and GPU. What I want you to do is here is really simple. I want you to click on the GPU at first. And now you're seeing which program is currently having the most usage of your GPU. And what I want you to do here is going to be to end every single process which is currently having too much CPU or GPU usage, especially now it's GPU. So you're going to right click that program, which is not related to Windows, obviously, and you're going to basically end this task by clicking onto end task. Next thing is going to be to click onto CPU and do the same thing again. So search for programs which are currently having too much CPU usage. You're going to right click and end this task. Once you're finished here, I want you to basically end the task manager again. Afterwards, you're going to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you're going to click onto your Windows symbol or click your Windows key on your keyboard. You're going to open up your settings. Afterwards, I want you to basically go to gaming. Once you're at gaming, I want you to turn off the Xbox game bar. Obviously, because you don't want anything to run in the background, especially the Xbox game bar. On low-end PCs will cause a lot of troubles with not launching, not storing, and general troubles. So just keep in mind to turn this off. And obviously, Xbox game bar using this button on a controller. If you're using a controller, it doesn't really matter, but just turn it off. So afterwards, click into captures on the left side. This will take a bit. So I want you to go to background recording. Once you're background recording, I want you to go to record the background while I'm playing a game and obviously turn this off. If you want to record your game, there's no problem with it. Just use the right software for that. I'm using OBS for everything, not Windows. Who the wants to record with Windows? So nobody. Don't use that. Just turn this off because nobody wants to record in the background. So it will take a lot of performance and will cause your game to not launch. And afterwards, also obviously not recording audio, go to game mode. And now it depends on which PC you're using and you need to check it for yourself. So some PCs, it works better with on and some PCs which, it works better with off. So I want you to check it for yourself. Once you're finished with that, go back once. I want you to click onto update and security. Here, it will sound a little bit basic, but trust me guys, it will help you a ton with everything. I want you to simply update every single driver on your PC which is not updated. You're not having the latest version of it. Because, I mean, it's obvious that if you're updating your drivers, it will keep your performance at the best, especially in low-end PCs. If you have trouble with not launching, it's probably because you have a low-end PC or something is not working in the background. So just keep in mind that you want to keep your Windows updated and every single driver. So for me, as you can see, I need to restart. I need to do an update. I will do that after the video. So just do that. Same thing, so you can minimize and do this for your graphics card. For me, it's NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA GeForce or your graphics card application and download the latest version of your driver because some games acquire the latest version of your drivers and this will be the reason why you're not launching. So just keep in mind that you want to have always the latest version of every single driver you're currently having on your PC related to gaming or to functional things in general. Go back once, hit system. Now you can see you're gonna be at display. What I want you to do is display. If you have two monitors like me, one there and one there, I want you to identify which your main monitor is, which one you're playing a game on. For me, it's one. If you don't have one, it's obviously you have one monitor. Go to scale and layout, where I want you to change the size of text apps and other items to 100% as recommended. And the display resolution should be the same as in-game, especially if you have like in-game something like stretched or, I don't know, 1720 by 1070. You need to keep that updated with your monitor's resolution or your in-game resolution should be the same as your monitors. Because, I mean, it's obvious that something which won't work if you have this on. So keep in mind that you want to do that. Next thing is going to be to go to power and sleep. What I want you to do is power and sleep is really simple. I want you to basically go to the right hand side where it says additional power settings. Now you need to go to click on this little check mark also. You have now 6 options. For me, it's working best at balanced. Some PCs work better at high performance or something with additional power plant settings. You need to check it for yourself, which one is currently working better. Take your time and afterwards choose which is working the best. So once you're finished with that, close this one. Go to storage. Click on to configure storage sensor, run it now. Now you need to just simply copy my settings. Keep this on every week, 40 days, 60 days. I won't clean that now because it will take a lot of time, but it will basically delete every single temporary file you're currently having on your PC, which will free up some storage, which will help you a lot with your general performance. So once you're finished with that, you're gonna end this task. And what I want you to do, obviously restart your PC after all these things happen. and try to launch your game over the launcher or on your shortcut. And yeah guys, that's it. I hope I could really help you out with this video. If it was like that, just leave a like, a comment, or a subscription right into my YouTube channel. It will really help me out. And yeah guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Feel free to ask anything in the comments, and see you at the next one.